Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the LA Cover Shot eye palette from Smashbox, and I'm just going to be creating another eye look with this. There's like a bunch of neutral colors in here along with like 3 fun colors, so I'm just going to try and incorporate as many of these as I can. So let's get started. So I'm just going to start out by applying a little bit of eye primer. You can use a concealer or anything like that just to prime your lids before applying this eyeshadow. Now I'm just going into this thing keeps flipping on me. Now I'm just going into this matte white shade, which is called Vanilla, and I'm just applying this all over my lids. And then I'm also going to go into the shade Almonds, which is a matte light brown, and I'm just going to add this right into my crease. Now I'm adding the shade There's Valet, and I'm just going to add this to my outer corners and blend it into my crease. These shadows are really nice and blendable. Going in with a blending brush, and I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Java, which is a darker matte brown, and I'm just adding this to my outer corners and really blending this out. I'm also adding a little bit of the shade Hang, which is almost like a gray shade, and I'm just adding this towards the center of my crease. I'm going into the shade Rose Bowler, which is just a shimmery pink color, and I'm going to apply this to my lids. And I'm going to go back into the shade Almonds and just reapply this to my outer crease and kind of help to blend in that shimmery shade. Now I'm going with a smaller angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Best Coast, which is the matte purple, and I'm just going to apply this to my lower lash line. This color is super vibrant and bright, so that's really great. And then I'm going back into the shade Java and just reapplying this to my outer corners to deepen up the eye look a little bit more. And the great thing about this palette is that there are so many neutrals, so you can really have a nice everyday look, but then these 3 more vibrant colors, you can just kind of add a little pop of color to your eye look and just simply add it to your lower lash line, or just, I don't know, or go more all out with it. But if you just want a little bit more color to your eye look, then this is just a great way to do it. I'm going to add a little bit of the shade West Sider to apply this to the outer corner of my lower lash line and blend it out. Now I'm just going to add some wings liner using a black liquid liner. So now that that is applied, I'm going to use this Smashbox gel liner, and this actually came with the palette, so that's really nice. It was just right in here. So I'm just going to use this for my waterline. Now I'm just going to apply some Ardell Wispies, going into the shade Deco, and I'm going to apply this to my inner corners and my brow bone. I'm using a Maybelline lip liner. This one is in the shade Taura, and I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm going to apply this Smashbox Gloss Angeles. This is in the shade Beachy Keen, and it's from the same collection of the LA collection from Smashbox. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this. It's a nude lip gloss. It looks super pretty. I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is the Lightning, Dust, and Fire Crystal one. It looks like this. And I'm just going to mix the 2 highlighters and just apply them. And so this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. Valentine's Day is coming up soon, so stay tuned for some makeup looks for that. Even this look, I feel like could kind of be a Valentine's Day look because of the little pop of pink at the bottom, so there you go. If you guys have any requests, make sure you let me know and leave them in the comments below. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So be sure to go follow me on there. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!